It's time for our annual Dinosaur Island walkthrough and boat ride at the Columbus Zoo and Aquarium. We've been filming this attraction every year since 2015, so let's see how it is in 2026. Whoa, what do we got here? Here we go. 2026 Dinosaur Island boat ride. Right?
I'd rather be on the toucan ride.
You're such a joy.
I am such a joy. No, it's a Yapasaurus. I'm excited for doing the Arctidus. Can it put your feet out? Look, it just looks over there. It feels like your feet are about to be in the water. Oh, look at that one.
Is this the Komodo dragon exhibit? I feel like they're never out.
OMG. It's not our first time on this boat ride. Monkey!
Monkeys.
Daddy, look. It's a monkey.
Like gibbons? Is that technically?
Monkey. Monkey. Monkey.
Bunlar gerçek örümcek sanmıştım ya.
Which one's the big one? Oh, look at that tiny one.
Is that a mosasaurus?
No, that's not a dinosaur.
Elini çek dedim.
Wait, look in the mouth for the
Başıma bela
sprayers.
mı? Açacağım anne. Şu adam çok güzel çekiyor bizi. Beni de çeker miyim acaba?
Oh, there's a dead one. Bones. Those are new, I think.
Etçil yani.
Oh, that's Godzilla. That's all about
Oh, yeah. Godzilla and a Spinosaur and a Mosasaur and a Spinosaur. And we got a Brachiosaur over here. Whoa. Some movement.
Böyle bir şeydi bu. Çocuklara bugün etkinlik.
Fuzzy.
Çarptırma.
No orangutan.
That
No.
doesn't sound the dinosaur sound like a Star Wars boat.
Buraya gelmek istemiyorsun.
Yeah.
Hamza zehirli bir şey olur teyzeme elinde. Elin kabarır bir şey olur. Fasulye mi kız bu? Evet.
Anne ne kadar derin bu? What was it?
Göktü yarım metre. Evet, şişe konu.
Oh, I hear something.
Wait, why not liking
O bir hafta.
I don't
Çocuklardan çıkmışlar yeni.
I'll take a cup of shit was. She closed this
Aha burada da var. Gasosaurus. Gaz çıkaran.
Dad, that one's you. It's the Gaseosaurus.
Bu neydi? Bak bir bulaşık
Kids. How come none of them spit water at you anymore?
Bu şeyde Christmas zamanı. Bu dinozorların kafalarını şey
They were like, well, it's not like 4,000-5,000 dollars.
Pterosaurus.
Was all. Because it was less than
Mutlu musun Hamza?
I think it wasn't very good.
Stegosaurus. Any otters out? Did you see one? Where? Oh, there it is. Oh, I see two. Oh, there's one right there. Oh.
Is that a new edition? Dad, is that a new edition?
No?
That's gone, that's gone.
Paranı
I'm friendly. I know Diamond. We're about to go back to our station. It's a dinosaur. The main feeding that all the time. And that was all on. Thanks for watching, people.
Subscribe. Subscribe.
Subscribe to our channel. Our dad needs money for this. He doesn't have any subscribers, only his friends.